Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll review the top 12 AI ETFs to help investors navigate the artificial intelligence investment landscape and make informed decisions about their portfolio allocations. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing numerous industries and reshaping the way we live and work. From self-driving cars and virtual assistants to advanced data analytics and personalized recommendations, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. As the world becomes increasingly reliant on AI technologies, investors are keen to capitalize on the tremendous growth potential offered by this rapidly evolving field. In response to this demand, AI exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have emerged as a convenient and accessible investment vehicle, providing individuals with the opportunity to gain exposure to the diverse and dynamic AI sector. These ETFs comprise a carefully curated selection of companies at the forefront of AI research, development, and implementation, offering investors diversified portfolios and the potential for long-term growth. An exchange-traded fund, ETF, is an investment fund that trades on stock exchanges, similar to individual stocks. It is designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, commodity, or asset class. ETFs offer investors the opportunity to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of assets, typically at a lower cost compared to traditional mutual funds. With that said, let's review our list of the top 12 AI ETFs to buy that could make you rich. Number 12. Roundhill Generative AI and Technology ETF, ticker, CHAT. Roundhill Generative AI and Technology ETF is one of the new arrivals in the market as it was designed and launched recently as a pure-play AI ETF to give investors exposure to the generative AI technology that lies at the heart of the current AI boom. At launch, the fund's top holdings include NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet. While there are currently 29 securities in the fund, they expect that basket to grow as more companies get involved. Number 11. Ishares Exponential Technologies ETF, ticker, XT. Ishares Exponential Technologies ETF is focused on companies that displace old companies and technologies and create new industries and markets. This ETF is one of the best artificial intelligence ETFs to invest in 2023 since it gives investors huge exposure to emerging companies. Some notable holdings of Ishares Exponential Technologies ETF include NVIDIA Corporation, Meta Platforms Incorporated and Advanced Micro Devices. Number 10. Emerge ARKK and Big Data ETF, ticker, EAAINE. The ARKK AI and Big Data ETF seeks to invest in companies that are at the forefront of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. The Emerge ARKK AI and Big Data ETF is an actively managed mutual fund that invests primarily in global equity securities of companies that focuses on AI, big data, and the transition of technology infrastructure from hardware and software to the cloud. It seeks to achieve long-term growth of capital through these investments. Managed by ARK Invest, a leading name in disruptive technology investing, the fund aims to capture the potential growth opportunities presented by AI and big data. The fund invests in companies across different sectors that are driving innovation and advancements in AI technology. The fund's portfolio includes companies involved in AI algorithms, data analytics, cloud computing, and other related technologies. With a focus on companies shaping the AI and big data landscape, this fund provides investors exposure to the transformative potential of these technologies. Number 9. Globalx Healthcare Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker, AIQH. AIQH aims to track the Index Healthcare Artificial Intelligence and Big Data Index, which consists of companies leveraging AI and big data analytics within the healthcare industry. The ETF invests in companies involved in the development and application of AI technologies for healthcare diagnostics, drug discovery, patient care, and administrative processes. AIQH provides investors with a unique opportunity to participate in the intersection of AI and healthcare, a sector poised for significant growth and transformation. Number 8. Amplify Transformational Data Sharing ETF, ticker, BLOK. While not exclusively focused on AI, BLOK is an actively managed ETF that seeks to invest in companies involved in blockchain technology and other transformative data sharing technologies. Blockchain, coupled with AI, has the potential to revolutionize industries by enabling secure, decentralized data storage and sharing. By investing in companies at the forefront of blockchain technology, BLOK indirectly captures exposure to the AI applications that leverage blockchain for enhanced data processing and analysis. As AI and blockchain continue to converge, Block offers investors exposure to this disruptive technological combination. Number 7. Globalx Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker, BOTZ. Established in 2016, the Globalx Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF is a fund that seeks to invest in companies that potentially stand to benefit from increased adoption and utilization of robotics and artificial intelligence. That includes enterprises working in industrial robotics, automation, non-industrial robots, and autonomous vehicles. It invests in companies across the globe involved in the development and use of robotics and AI technologies. With a portfolio that includes leading AI companies, such as NVIDIA and Intuitive Surgical, BOTZ offers investors an opportunity to tap into the growth potential of the AI sector. The fund has attracted significant attention from investors interested in robotics and AI, leading to strong asset growth in recent years. BOTZ offered a modest dividend yield of 0.94% as of June of 2023, but it is better suited as a growth-oriented investment. Its expense ratio of 0.68% is higher than what you'd pay for an index fund, but it's also reasonable for the fund's performance history. Number 6. First Trust NASDAQ Artificial Intelligence and Robotics ETF, ticker, ROBT. ROBT is designed to provide exposure to companies involved in the development and utilization of AI and robotics. The ETF, started in 2018, surged during the pandemic, in part because tech stocks make up more than 60% of its holdings. The ETF seeks investment results corresponding to the NASDAQ CTA Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Index. It includes companies engaged in sectors like industrial automation, healthcare, and consumer products. With holdings in companies like Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft, ROBT offers investors exposure to AI across a broad range of industries. The ETF has gained popularity due to its focus on cutting-edge technologies and its inclusion of prominent industry leaders. The First Trust ETF offers an expense ratio of 0.65% and a dividend yield of 0.86%. Although its trading history is relatively short, its performance is similar to the S&P 500 overall. Number 5. Ishares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker, IRBO. IRBO seeks to track the investment results of the NYSE FactSet Global Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Index. The ETF holds a diverse range of companies that are driving advancements in robotics and AI. Its holdings include companies involved in the production of robotics, industrial automation, and AI technology, such as ABB Limited and Siemens AG. IRBO provides investors with a global perspective on AI and significant exposure to international markets. The fund has attracted attention from investors seeking broad exposure to the robotics and AI industries on a global scale. Number 4. Globalx Future Analytics Tech ETF, ticker, AIQ. AIQ aims to track the Index Artificial Intelligence and Big Data Index, which includes companies engaged in the development and application of AI technologies and big data analytics. The ETF focuses on companies operating in areas such as natural language processing, machine learning, and predictive analytics. AIQ's portfolio includes companies like Salesforce, Adobe, and Splunk, offering exposure to various AI applications beyond robotics. With the growing importance of big data and AI in multiple sectors, AIQ has gained traction among investors looking to capitalize on the convergence of AI and analytics. Number 3. Invesco QQQ ETF, ticker, QQQ. While not exclusively an AI ETF, QQQ provides significant exposure to leading technology companies heavily involved in AI advancements. The ETF tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which includes influential technology giants such as Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet. These companies are at the forefront of AI development, making QQQ an attractive option for investors seeking broad exposure to the AI industry. QQQ has a long-established track record and remains a popular choice for investors seeking exposure to the technology sector, including AI-related companies. Number 2. ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ticker, ARKK. ARKK aims to invest in companies that benefit from advancements in robotics, automation, and AI. The ETF, under the management of ARK Invest, a well-known name in disruptive technology investing, includes businesses engaged in fields like autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, and AI-based platforms. With a strong focus on innovative and emerging technologies, ARKK provides investors with exposure to companies poised to shape the future of AI. The fund's active management and concentrated focus on disruptive technologies have garnered significant attention and attracted investors seeking high-growth opportunities in the AI and robotics space. Number 1. WisdomTree Artificial Intelligence and Innovation Fund, ticker, WTAI. WisdomTree Artificial Intelligence and Innovation Fund tracks the performance of the WisdomTree Artificial Intelligence and Innovation Index, which gains exposure to companies involved in the use of AI technologies and contributing to the development and deployment of AI innovation. The top 3 holdings of WisdomTree Artificial Intelligence and Innovation Fund are NVIDIA Corporation, Meta Platforms, and little-known ARKK Technologies Limited. ARKK Technologies Limited is a Taiwan-based semiconductor company. ARKK Technologies Limited has customers in AI, HPC supercomputers, mobile phones, entertainment devices and related industries. AI ETFs offer investors a way to participate in the growth potential of the AI industry without having to select individual stocks. These funds provide exposure to companies driving AI innovation and offer diversification across various sectors. While the order of this list may change over time as the industry evolves, the top 12 AI ETFs mentioned here can serve as a starting point for investors seeking to capitalize on the transformative power of artificial intelligence. As with any investment, it's important for investors to conduct thorough research and consider their risk tolerance and investment goals before investing in AI ETFs. By understanding the potential and risks associated with AI technology, investors can make informed decisions to harness the power of this exciting field. Let us know in the comments below which of these 12 AI ETFs you would consider adding to your investment portfolio. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.